Like, no reaction. I'm going to main campus now. I gotta organize some stuff before school starts. Is the fit, you know what I'm saying? Calm, low fit. Yes, sir. So I got lost, but I found the student admin building finally. But this place is so big that every time I come here I get lost, but I found it. As I look out, you're warning me. Your thoughts devour my point. Yeah, I ended up getting somebody gave me some free snacks. Well, a snack and a drink. You're not happy for that. Alright guys, so it's currently 7:06 in the morning. You know, first day of school. Anatomy lecture just ended, so I'm heading home now. Yeah.
Guys, school is over now. They're back home. Look, I can't see JD. Jeez, the sun bright. Look, Anika running and hiding. Jante, guys, JD don't go to school.
I do.
This is the first time I'm going to school properly.
I go to school every day of my life. So today I am on my way to physiology. Yeah, man. With my parents, professional, looking very professional. And I'll catch you up as I go. My way to skills. As I told you before, skills lab is to learn necessary skills as a future physician. We know beat us. Don't tell you about me. We know beat us, but it look like a clear up. Pretty good inside. Hey guys, so I just got home from skills. Today we did cardiovascular history taking. So yeah, it was good. I couldn't record inside, unfortunately. But, you know, keep the full fit. You know, got the church shoes in it, bro. Church shoes in it, bro. Alright, nice.
John, I should get Indian woman. Because he tried to come up with a nice Google hair. Blue.
Yo, this is the final product. You'll think.
I don't know why you're still talking to these bitches. Trying to act like you're that guy, you're not that guy. And why is your phone still on D&D? I'm tired of this, can you pick up? Like, it's weird, bro.
Didn't get no sleep last night, I'm late. But time will tell, yo. Said if you love me, why would you do it? I don't know myself, yo. That one there is a work of art, but cannot fit on the shelf. Aye, me versus me, so I don't really care if people...
Name and age.
Michael Anderson, 36.
John, don't name me a painting.
Carbon, don't name me a painting. 19. Alright, this Hey guys, so I went to get a keyboard in Europe, and now we have to go on a maxi with the keyboard. Last semester, I wasn't really studying like frequently. I said I want to study like closer to exams, but this semester has to change because I want to do really good. So I've been studying more frequently. So usually when I study, take off your lights, a quiet ambience, and then I just change the lights a little brighter so I can actually see. And then I just get to it. Today we're looking at what's this? This is the esophagus. It's anatomy. It's basically anatomy. So that's what we're doing today.
We should be dancing. Girl, you look stunning. Let's spend the night together to reach the morning. I've been.
Sometimes when I get tired, I'll just hop on my bed, grab my iPad, my notes on. I just finished pack. Today's another skills day. Calm low fit today. Nothing crazy, it's a chill day. Rainy day for sure. Finished skills again. You know how it is, man. Skills lab. Today we did catheterization, abdomen examinations, and
Alright, let's get it. Yeah, alright, let's get it. Yeah, alright then. Yeah, alright then. Yeah, alright then. Yeah, yeah. When I come through, yeah, he gon' come through.
if you know, you know. Alright guys, I just got back from anatomy lab. Today we looked at slides, different histology slides, like anatomy of the, we're doing digestive system now, so like stuff in the mouth coming out into the esophagus, into the small intestine, then stomach first, then small intestine, appendix as well. So yeah, this is the lab fit. I was playing basketball and unfortunately it hit the pipe and it burst. So now we're waiting on the handyman to come and fix it, hopefully. Such is life.
I can't see why I can't be this way. I got tatted and knew what to pray. Made me different, but we'll be the same. You are not the father, you are not. Sin is on me, but still I'm a saint. Still got dirt like I wash in the sink. Sell an image to people I can't. You are not the father, you are not. Ain't no more condemnation, you don't gotta keep code switching. Got
Plans to do with the you are big. Miko and pizza. A little too cheesy, maybe.
Yeah, let it come through. Yeah, let it come through. No shame in my love, and I'm keeping it coming. Cause when it's all over, you ain't the one judging. Say this with me. You are not the father, you are not.
You ever have to look a man in his eyes and tell him you not?
Today's adventure, I'm going to a children's home for a medical school project where we have to volunteer. I just got off the maxi.
Ways had to throw away. Turn to the Father, help me obey. Before I fall in sin, I gotta go pray. Help, my biggest enemy, Satan, this world itself. Before we get in our feelings, we should just think about how God felt, how God feels. He don't change, but our minds will. And God.
Hi guys, so we just landed off the maxi, and I'm heading home now. So yeah, I'll see you as soon as I get home. So we're almost home now. Definitely a good experience. The kids were great. It was nice to volunteer. Good experience to see how different children are. And yeah, it was definitely a good experience. Would recommend it for sure. You have the wash and drying and all you use.
Cup full of blessings got me pouring up. I went from throwing in the towel till I'm throwing up. What we throwing? All these praises, what we throwing up. I went from throwing in the towel till we throwing up. What we throwing? All these praises, what I'm throwing up. Yeah. Can't be selling out for a compliment. My worldly ways fade away to yesterday. Forgiveness gotta make sure my blessings. Let temptation stick around, it's bound to snatch it away. Face a gift from the Father. You could tell who really down behind it.
Guys, thank you so much for watching the video. This week was a really chill week, nothing crazy happened, just had class, school, different things. Unfortunately, I cannot record during lectures, or during like labs, but I showed you what I could show you. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.
I know you'll be there.